How to optimize inference endpoints for real-time AI. Learn to enhance your skills in fine-tuning endpoints for real-time applications, ensuring speed and efficiency in AI prediction delivery.
Welcome to our video on optimizing inference endpoints for real-time AI applications. Did you know that milliseconds in prediction speed can make or break the effectiveness of AI systems in real-time environments? Today, we're diving into the crucial process of endpoint optimization, which ensures your AI predictions are both fast and accurate. Stay tuned as we explore techniques and strategies to enhance your AI performance. Let's get started. Inference endpoints are the final step in the AI model deployment process, where your trained model interacts with the outside world. They process input data, make predictions, and deliver outcomes in real time. Understanding them is crucial, as they affect the speed and efficiency of your AI system. Key components include the model itself, the server environment, and the API configuration. Properly setting up these elements can drastically reduce latency and enhance performance. Stay with us as we delve deeper into optimizing these endpoints for peak efficiency. Real-time AI applications are transforming industries by providing instantaneous insights and decisions. From autonomous vehicles navigating streets to financial systems executing trades, the need for speed is paramount. Even a slight delay can lead to significant financial or operational losses. In this segment, we'll explore how these applications work, their impact on various sectors, and why minimizing latency is vital. With emerging trends, real-time AI is set to become even more integral to business strategies. Let's delve into why this matters and how to stay ahead. Latency is the enemy of real-time AI performance, but there are ways to combat it. Start by identifying bottlenecks, whether they're in your model size, processing power, or network capabilities. Techniques such as model pruning and quantization can reduce model size without sacrificing accuracy. Employing hardware accelerators like GPUs or TPUs can also speed up computations significantly. Parallel processing divides tasks, allowing for faster execution. Don't forget network optimization. Minimizing data travel time is crucial. Stick with us as we break down these techniques to boost your AI's responsiveness. Reducing computational overhead is key to achieving faster inference times. Simplifying your model architecture can significantly cut down on processing demands. Efficient data handling, including proper pre-processing and batch processing, reduces unnecessary computation. Consider using lightweight frameworks designed for speed and efficiency. Additionally, weigh the pros and cons of cloud versus edge computing for your specific needs. Each approach offers unique benefits in terms of speed and resource management. Join us as we explore these methods to ensure your AI system operates at peak performance.
Load balancing is essential in distributing workloads evenly across servers to prevent any single point from becoming a bottleneck. In AI applications, this strategy enhances system reliability and efficiency. There are various types of load balancers, including hardware, software, and cloud-based solutions. Each offers distinct advantages, whether dynamic or static in nature. Implementing an effective load balancing strategy ensures optimal resource use and higher availability. Let's dive into how these strategies work and how you can apply them to your AI systems for improved performance. Caching is a powerful technique for speeding up response times in AI systems. By storing frequently accessed data temporarily, caching reduces the need to repeatedly fetch or compute data, thus saving time. There are several caching techniques, including in-memory caching and distributed caching. Each offers unique benefits, such as reduced latency and improved throughput. Implementing an effective caching strategy can significantly enhance your AI application's performance. Let's explore how caching works, its benefits, and real-world examples of its successful implementation.
Monitoring your inference endpoints is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as latency, throughput, and error rates provide insights into how well your endpoints are functioning. Numerous tools are available for tracking these metrics, offering real-time data and historical analysis. Understanding these metrics allows you to make informed decisions and continuously improve your AI systems. We'll guide you through the process of monitoring and interpreting these crucial data points to ensure your AI applications remain efficient and effective. Let's look at some real-world examples of successful endpoint optimizations. These case studies highlight the challenges faced by various organizations and the innovative solutions they implemented. From reducing latency to optimizing load balancing, these companies achieved remarkable results. We'll discuss the strategies used, the outcomes achieved, and the lessons learned along the way. Join us as we explore these inspiring stories and see how you can apply similar strategies to enhance your AI systems.
In this video, we've covered the essentials of optimizing inference endpoints for real-time AI applications. From understanding the components and importance of endpoints to exploring techniques for latency reduction and load balancing, we've provided you with tools to enhance your AI systems. Now, it's your turn to apply these strategies and boost your AI performance. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and share this video with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for our next video in the series, where we'll dive deeper into advanced optimization techniques. See you next time.